welcome back to Tech and today I'll be taking a look at the Nano earbuds. They're linked in the description below, so don't forget to check them out. Now, let's get started. So, these earphones were packaged in very nice packaging, which almost reminded me of how Apple packages their products. Inside we had the earbuds inside their carrying case, a short USB to USB-C cable, some additional ear tips and earphones, and then the user manuals. Now, I was pretty surprised at the sleek design of these earbuds and the carrying case, as well as the USB-C charging cable, which was a very nice addition. Inside the carrying case are the earbuds, which are well designed. They have a magnetic connector to simply be plugged into the charging case to begin charging. Now, whilst using these earphones, I experienced no bugs in the connection, and the sound was very crisp and dynamic. I also found that they weren't loose and falling out my ears like many other earbuds do. So overall, they were actually very comfortable. When charging, you can use the short USB-C cable, which is great to quickly charge the case. And when the case is charging, there's an orange light to show this. And when it's finished charging, it changes to green. Now this small addition makes the earbuds seem more professional, and as you may know, it's actually used in the Apple products as well. Each earbud has a nice light when turned on. It makes them look much more modern and premium, and these lights can also turn on when the earbuds are taken out of the container, as well as when they're charging. Now, when it comes to choosing the perfect colour for your earbuds, there are 10 different colours to choose from, which is great and can allow you to pick what colour you like best. With the earbuds, the buttons can be used to do multiple things, and support multiple voice assistants. You are also able to answer and end calls with them, which is great and makes use of the built-in microphone. As well as this, these earphones are also splash-proof, which means they can be used in the rain, for example when you want to go for a run or something. So overall, they're great earphones for almost anyone to use. And personally, I think they're mainly aimed at sports users, as they can sit in your ears nicely whilst also being splash-proof. They're also very lightweight and compact, which would be perfect for going on a run or to the gym. And for $99, they are priced fairly high, but as they're packed with so many great features, I think they are worth it. So now, go on down to the description below and check out these earphones, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Thanks for watching, goodbye.